Hello and welcome to Big Bore Knife and Gear. Today we've got a Rough Rider on the channel. This is the RR1743. This is the Rough Rider Classic Carbon utility knife. Let's get this bad boy out. This one is sporting the yellow composite scales. This one is actually a liner lock as well. Brass pin construction, or excuse me, nickel pin construction. Brass liner lock, brass liners. This one's sporting T10 carbon steel. Look at that beauty. Feels good in hand. Very classic, simple design. I've got this one here as a comparison. This is the case. Almost identical. This one is just a slip joint. This one is a liner lock. If we can get it to disengage here, very stiff. $12. About $80. Typically the Rough Rider fit and finish is really good. This one, if you can see here, does have some gapping issues on the liners, and also centering issue. This thing is pert near touching the scales there, if you can see. Other than that, it's actually a decent, well-made knife for 12 bucks. Flat grind, super sharp. Still has a really good edge. I've cut a ton of rope and cardboard with this thing. Has that nice polished blade. Hello. Yeah, if you guys are into traditional style knives, which I am, I like them. I prefer my knives to lock. So this one is kind of up my alley because it's a liner lock as opposed to just a straight slip joint. But Rough Rider has been putting out some really good stuff. This one is probably, as far as fit and finish goes, maybe the worst one I've had in my hands. And again, it's not horrible. Just a little bit of gapping issue there. And then the blade centering on this one is not up to snuff. Yeah, let's get some measurements on this guy. We're going to have an overall length of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, just under 8.5 inches. Blade length, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 3 3/4 with just under 3.5 inches of cutting. What do you guys think? You into traditionals? Because if you are, I'm telling you, it's hard to beat the Rough Rider for the money. Again, with this exception, this one has got the worst fit and finish I've seen on a Rough Rider, and it's honestly, except for the blade centering, it's really not that bad. It is not hitting the scales, so it's not really affecting the functionality of the knife. Just looks bad. Let's get a weight on this guy, since it's right here. This one is on loan to me from my buddy Rusty Knife Lover on IG. 3.5 ounces on this guy. Not too shabby. 3.5 ounces for a 3.5 inch blade. You're at that ounce and inch mark. Let me know what you guys think. This has been the Rough Rider RR1743. Please like, subscribe, leave me that comment because I love the feedback. And until next time, take care.